September 22nd, 2014. My name is David Sehlhorst with Touchstone. We're the construction manager for this Apollo Career Center addition and renovation project. Today we're standing on the west side of the school. As you can see behind me, we've been very busy the last few months. This job started roughly May 2014 and will be completed August 2016. We're currently in phase 1 of 7. Right behind me is the south addition. This will be where the new carpentry labs, automotive labs will be housed. And then this corridor that's connecting this was a renovation. In that area there'll be the new health career rooms, print and graphics, and kind of the central receiving and main electrical and mechanical rooms. And in the far distance, that's the east addition, and we got a lot of steel going up right there. So right now we're standing on the back side of the school. This is the east addition. Come through here and show you everything that we've been doing. We got a lot of steel in this area. All of it's up. Still just detailing all of it. There's a lot of moment connections and welds we have to make in all this area. If you look down here, we've had to put in all the conduit for the electrical, and then we started our slab pours. You can see where this area's going to have a lot of windows in it. And in this whole area there'll be the chemistry, biology, science rooms, also some English rooms, math rooms, and social studies rooms. Okay, we're now standing in the new print and graphics room. This is the corridor that was renovated. In this whole area we had to pretty much demo everything, all the walls except for the low-bearing walls, all the plumbing, pretty much everything else. And as you can see, we've been rebuilding everything. Currently we have grid already hung up in this area. We've got paint started, and it's starting to look more like a classroom. Okay, so we're now looking in the new multimedia room. There's also a tech closet in this area. And then, as you can see, we're standing in the main hallway through this area that's been renovated. And you can see we already got the table tray, some tables inside of it, and then we got all the ductwork run through here, and a lot of the piping already started. We'll come over here. This is one of the rooms for the new health careers room, and there'll be some beds in here, some other medical type instruments, and then this room's kind of a mirror image of the other room, and there's some offices off the side and some other small rooms. Okay, so we're now standing in one of the sports fitness rooms. This is just one of the rooms. We're going to enter the other room coming up here. You probably saw the cabling that's been strung up. This whole corridor is pretty much the same progress figured out, being that paint started, grid started. I got almost all the mechanical done, plumbing done, electrical we're still working on a little bit. Keep on walking through here. Come into this room. This is going to be the new cybersecurity classroom. See, basically the same progress. Back to the main corridor. Another fencer. roughing in a few of the items. Into the electrical room. This is going to be the main electrical room for the entire school. These are all the school's switch gear. They're still hooking up everything. There's all the conduit. Now we're leaving the area that's been renovated, entering this new south addition. And many people might remember walking out these doors because they're in the same location as where the old building used to stop on the south side. And as you come out the doors, this is going to be kind of an open area, kind of like a showcase type auditorium. Maybe someday they can wheel a car through here and have that on display for the auto tech program. And then as we come through here, we'll be heading toward here. We're now turning, looking into the building maintenance and renovations room for the school. Fairly open area. We have all the steel set. Still have to do a little bit of welding on it and start decking and roofing shortly. And then we'll keep coming over here. We are now heading towards the carpentry labs. This is it. This will house some new equipment for carpentry students. And be state of the art. Corner of the south addition here at Apollo. The room we're standing in right now is the new auto repair room. And in this area in the back will be a paint booth. And if we come through here and turn, this is the new auto tech room. We have all the joists up in this area. Still got to do some bridging and some more welding. And you can see we got a couple offices over here and a mezzanine. Right now we're standing in an awesome location to see the new East Addition as well as the South Addition I keep telling about. All these walls will be spray foamed and then mostly brick. We got a lot of the weather barriers up. Just moving right along. In front of the school. This will give you a good view of what we've been doing. As you can see, we've actually started this front of the school. We're doing a few additions that are for another phase, but we actually started about getting a head start on these before the winter because we could have a bad one like we did last year. So you can see we got the foundations poured. First few courses of the foundation masonry block installed. In this area, the area that we're looking at right in front of us will be the new cosmetology, and then behind that will be a new greenhouse for the floral, and obviously the floral department, and then some new office spaces. We walk through here. You can see the actual front of the school. And then we'll come up to where the new garden cafe and new culinary arts will be located.